Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are diving deep into Space Dragon, a project that's not just about cryptocurrency but aims to dominate the metaverse ecosystem, introducing Space Dragonverse. Stay tuned as we explore the roadmap, unique features, Space Dragon swap, NFTs and the revolutionary Space Dragon farm. And also this coin is only I think 6 days old. So make sure you follow along to the very end of this video, because at the end I'm giving you my personal opinions on Space Dragon. One of the main challenges in crypto is maintaining continuous volume. Space Dragon has the solution by hedging a portion of the marketing wallet into yield-bearing assets. It generates income to further develop, market and reward holders in the Binance Smart Chain through Space Dragon. The long-term vision dominating the metaverse is unique experience and revenue from advertising on lands across blockchains. The Space Dragon roadmap. Let's explore the Space roadmap or Space Dragon roadmap, offering investors a clear vision, currently integrating more assets, expanding global reach, enhancing user experience, and adding new features. The team is actively seeking partnerships, collaborations, and engaging in marketing and PR activities. They say this in the actual script, or what I'm saying here is written based on the actual roadmap or white paper of Space Dragon. I'm just clearing this, and I'm not getting paid to create this video. But with that out of the way, now we are going to dive into the Space Dragon swap. Introducing Space Dragon Swap, a secure, reliable platform for easy token swapping. Peer-to-peer protocol ensures security and integration with multi-chain staking pools, allows investors to stake and earn rewards quickly. It's easy to use, highly liquid, and boasts low fees, backed by the Space Dragon team for peace of mind. Stay tuned for step-by-step guide on using this powerful platform. Space Dragon NFTs. So what you see in front of us here is one of the actual NFTs, I think. And immerse yourself as Space Dragon NFTs, limited edition exclusive tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. These unique pieces tell the story of Space Dragon, the craziest superhero, and can be purchased with Space Dragon tokens. So below this video, if Space Dragon is watching this video, you could give me some Ethereum Space Dragon coins on the Ethereum chain for creating this video. No, I'm just kidding. Staking and farming. Explore the Space Dragon farm, a secure platform for storing digital assets. Discover how it enables users to stake for rewards and benefits from low fees. The Space Dragon token plays a crucial role, allowing users to engaging in the platform's governance system. On overall conclusion, Space Dragon is not just a cryptocurrency, it's very, very, very new. I'm giving you this for the first time on Crypto Cobra YouTube channel. This is the only channel I have called Crypto Cobra. I've noticed that some of you out there or another channel has actually taken my logo that I purchased and put it on their YouTube page. So I'm just clearing this. I cannot talk Arabic or Arabic language. The only languages I can speak fluently is English and Norwegian, okay? So just clearing that with that out of the way. Now we come to the most important part, my personal opinions on this Space Dragon coin. What you see in front of us here is the actual Space Dragon chart. Okay, now I'm going to show you why I created this video. The website isn't good designed. When they are into the NFTs and pictures, they could actually I could design a website like that in 5 minutes, okay, myself personally. If you want more detailed designs on a website that you are going to put your own money in, is something I suggest any crypto coin out there do. The website needs better designs, and why I created this video is actually, this is the answer here. Why I created this video was this. I talk about order flow and buying pressure all the time in my videos. and I found this on CoinMarketCap, but then I checked it out on DEX tools. The buying pressure is insane. It launched on 16th of January, so it looks like this coin actually got launched on, it's 6 days old, okay? And you do not see any selling pressure on this chart, okay? If more people buy like the chart below here, the price will increase. That's just what I'm taught or know, okay? So the next thing I want to share is the last day alone, this coin has gone up 154%, and it's only getting started. That's my personal opinion. The Twitter page, they could actually use the Twitter page to actually advertise the token more, but they are active on their Twitter page, but they do not have a lot of followers on that Twitter page, and might ask, where can you buy this token? I'm not 100% behind this coin before I actually get more insights into why, but it's a lot of buying pressure. This means you're early in the coin buying process, and if you actually want to buy this coin, you can use my link I have below this video to 𝐭𝐴𝐺𝐸, okay? My personal opinions on the actual coin itself is they need more or better designed website, advertise the Twitter page more. Yeah, that's basically it. And hold the tokens themselves. I can also see how many tokens there are on this coin actually. I'm going to check it out now. See if you see the same as I see. Yes. Max supply is 100, is that 100,000 trillion? I'm quite unsure about that number. If you are looking at this video and can tell me how many dragons coins there actually is, you can comment below this video. I would appreciate it. Most importantly, in all my videos, I talk about you need to learn, okay? And I'm looking at you there, sitting at home, thinking that you want to start out with crypto, but you do not know how. You at home there can do it, okay? You can do whatever you want in this world. Make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you at home there will earn. I have a book on my YouTube page where you can actually get the book 100% free. I'm giving it out to all of you out there so you can learn about crypto and blockchain technology. This is a very in-depth book you need to read to get better in crypto. I hope you all have a great day. If you're sitting there on the toilet or on the sofa, make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, my friend, and you will earn. Have a great day. Take care. Hope you liked this Space Dragon review.